everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, as the title says, yes, I'm going to be trying this barbecue in a box by Barbecue Nation. So they have come up with this new thing that you can order barbecue in a box. This costs about 850 rupees, but I got some discount. I ordered it on Swiggy. So I'm very much excited to try this out. I am a huge fan of Barbecue Nation. I absolutely love going there. My most favorite part of Barbecue Nation is their starters and the desserts, like the barbecue and everything, and the desserts. I'm not a big fan of their main course, but I love the barbecue thing and the other starters that they serve, along with their kulfi, gulab jamun, those small brownies. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. So guys, if you want to see a proper video of me going to the restaurant, trying each and every dish, then I've made a separate video on that. I shall put a link in the description below. So this just arrived from Swiggy. I really love the box. It's like very strong and hard. I cannot wait to open this, and I wanted to open it on camera. So yes, let's open it now. Also guys, before we start this video, please do subscribe to my channel to show me some support so that I can make some more fun videos like this for you guys. So there is a seal over here and it says do not accept if the seal is broken. And don't worry guys, I have sanitized the box. So it's safe now. Literally the box smells of sanitizer right now. The big reveal. Ooh. Okay, let's unbox each and everything one by one. For starters, I have, let's open this. I love ripping things. So I have a spoon, fork and tissue. Okay, I think the first layer is desserts. Oh, I love the containers. Amazing. This is, I think, some type of a halwa. Oh, the brownies. Wow. And of course, hum sabke favorite gulab jamun. And this is a chutney. And this is one more sauce. This is one layer. Okay, this is hot. Let's open it later, but oh, it smells amazing. Next I have this. Okay, I'm going to set the box down because there's no place. Okay, there is one more container. Everything is hot. So much food. Okay, the box is officially empty. I'm going to open all these boxes and show you guys what all is there inside it. Alright guys, all the boxes are now opened. There is so much food. It smells delicious. So let me start by telling you all what all is there on my table. And also I've lowered the camera a bit. It's okay if you cannot see me, but you have to see the food. So basically, this is the UBQ box by Barbecue Nation. That is the barbecue at home box. So this box has 6 appetizers, 2 curries, 1 dal, 3 desserts, 2 breads, 1 biryani according to their Instagram post. But I don't see 2 breads over here. So there are 3 desserts. So let me start by telling you all what all is there. So here I have onion and some cucumber salad. There are 2 types of chutneys. I feel this is going to taste really good. This is green chutney. Then this is, I think, their fish tikka. And there are some prawns and fish tikka. This is their chicken that I have had many times in the restaurant. And there's one more chicken tikka under that. This is paneer. I think this is veg tikka. I absolutely love their Cajun spice potato. And I was hoping that there will be Cajun spice potato in this, but there isn't. Then these are the starters. Here is biryani, I think. Let me just dig. Yes, it's biryani. Then here I have, I think this is mutton. This is dal. Here I have a chicken gravy. I have paratha over here. And there is this gravy, I think it's with the biryani. Then I have these 3 desserts. I think this is moong dal ka halwa. This is gulab jamun. And of course, brownies. Okay, let's start eating now. First up, I want to taste this sauce. It's like a spicy sour sauce. Okay, I'm so happy. Alright, let's start with this now. Because obviously. It's slightly cold, but it's super delicious. It's amazing. I'm going to take a piece and dip it in this now. Okay, next I'm going to try this chicken tikka, which I have tried in Barbeque Nation before. It's like this malai tikka. It's very spicy. It's really very well made. Okay, after eating this piece, I felt like I'm sitting in Barbeque Nation. Heaven. Okay, I'm just gonna have one more bite of this tandoori tikka and So all of this I've ordered from Kakula Mall, Panjim. There is Barbeque Nation, only one Barbeque Nation in Goa, in Kakula Mall at Panjim. Okay, let's try the prawns now. Tastes exactly like the restaurant. Okay, let's go for a fish now. I'm not a big fan of the fish tikka, but soft. My nephew Shlok, he loves fish tikka, and the staff at Barbeque Nation, they are so helpful. They always prepare it in a different type of a, less spicy and all of that for him, and he loves that. Like me, he is also a very big fan of Barbeque Nation. We're gonna go there after this lockdown and everything is over. Okay, the fish is, I don't like it that much, but it's nice. The prawns are really good. They've given a lot of fish pieces. Prawns are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prawns, but yeah. Alright, now I'm going to try the paneer. It's nice. More than the paneer, I like this onion that they serve with it. Let's try this tikki. It's nice, but each and every starter is spicy, which I love. Quick water break. Okay, let's move on to the main course now. Okay, for main course, I'm going to start with, let's start with the biryani now. Okay. Oh my god, what did I find? Dushman, it's elaichi. I hate elaichi in my biryani. Oh. Okay. So as I said, I don't enjoy the. So as it's falling off. Let me just clean that up. Okay. As I said, I'm not a big fan of the main course at Barbeque Nation. So I'm just gonna try this and then I'm gonna save it for my family. There is chicken somewhere inside it. It's nice. It's okay. So they've given me some paratha over here. Lachha paratha. Let's break a piece and try this chicken now. It's okay. It's nice. Nothing like great or something. It's good. Like I said, I go there only for the starters and the desserts. I'm going to try this, and I confidently said that this is mutton. I'm not sure, but it looks like mutton, so I'm going to try it out. It's mutton and it's really good. I like the gravy. It's really nice and spicy, tangy. I'm not a big mutton fan, but I love this gravy. It gives a spiciness to your throat here. So if you do not like spicy, don't try this mutton. I'm going to try some of the dal now, and I'm going to take a different spoon for the dal because it's veg. Creamy. Okay, this dal reminded me of my brother-in-law. He loves dal and he's going to love this dal. And my nephew Shlok, he would enjoy. I wish he was here with me right now so that he could enjoy the starters. He loves these starters. Like, he would have eaten the fish by now, and the chicken, he would have loved it. Also, the paneer is good. I think this one whole thing can easily be shared by, I don't know, 4-5 people. Like, for one person is too much. Okay, 2 people, if you all are very hungry, I can finish this, but I think I need more than, I think you will need more than 2 people to finish this. Oh, I didn't try this thing. I think this is some salan or something. Mirchi ka salan. It's that. Water break. So guys, now that lockdown is going on, we cannot go outside, so I thought it would be a great idea to order this and make a video on this. Do let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this video, because they have many other boxes. They have veg box, they have kebabs and biryani. I think they have Ramadan special box also. Depending on the love you all shower on this video, I'm going to make more of such videos. I'm also planning on making KFC the next time, like the bucket. I don't think I'll be able to finish it, but I'm going to try. But the dal is amazing. It's really very well made. Usually I never take dal in the main course. So stupid. I can't believe that the dal is so good. I also like this sauce. I'm not gonna open the chutney because also there is onion, cucumber, paneer. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to finish this food, like obviously. So I'm gonna move on to the desserts because I don't want to waste your time as well. So guys, I would recommend you guys to try this out because this is like a full 3-course meal. Moong dal ka halwa. It's okay. Like it's become completely cold now, so gulab jamun. Too bad they cannot parcel their kulfi. I would have been more happier with the kulfi. My favorite brownie. This brownie is amazing. I love brownies. So guys, that's all that comes in the barbecue in a box by Barbecue Nation. Yeah, and I'm pretty impressed by the quantity of the food and the quality of the food. It tastes exactly like how it tastes in the restaurant. It becomes a little cold by the time to deliver, but we can always warm it. My most favorite thing in this entire thing was this chicken. Both this chicken, the paneer is super delicious. The tikki is really good. The fish, as I said, I'm not a big fan. Prawns were good. I love the mutton. I did not try the piece, but I tried the gravy, which was amazing. The dal is mind blowing. The chicken it's nice, it's okay. Lachha paratha, good. Biryani, okay, nice. Mirchi ka salan, I don't know. Moong dal ka halwa, gulab jamun, brownie, 2 thumbs up. So this is all that they give in their box, which costs rupees 850. If I go to Barbecue Nation, it will cost me less. Actually, they have different rates on each days. So if I go there, it will cost me less. But considering their shipping, the delivery charges and all of that, it's not bad. It's good. You guys can give it a go. You can try it out. Like, just order it for dinner and do not eat anything for lunch. Like, just wait for this and attack this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you all did, please do give it a big like. Share this video with your friends and family. Do try out this barbecue in a box by Barbecue Nation. Subscribe to my channel. Show me some support so that I can make some more fun videos like this for you guys. And and this is not a sponsored video, although I wouldn't mind Barbecue Nation sponsoring me. And so yes guys, that's all I have for you in my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video made you all hungry. If it did, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.